they saw your boat.
And dolphin. Osprey. Your dolphin. It's a good thing they weren't here earlier, because I'd had to chase them, or they'd had to chase me. Okay, tell me again what the wind's doing.
Well, 5 to 8 further out, and it's low because it's dancing off of the water. And there's fish.
So, Chuck Duck, it's high tide. River's going out, wind's swirling. So what's it switched? 90 degrees since we've been here? 92, 89?
5.
Still coming off the shore. So the sea breeze. Whichever breeze. Some of them breezes, we're still going out to the water.
And it'll pick up. And a big ship over there.
And a big ship, it's probably search and rescue.
And there's food pile.
It's going back to the right.
Start the emergency eco buoy. There's food pile out there.
There's this remnants of Screw Pile Lighthouse. That's where we'll tie off and call Steve to come get us.
That's on a really bad day. Or a good day.
So sail trials complete.
About what, 9:30, 10?
Probably missed the optimum wind shadow window by what, about 30 minutes?
Yeah.
We probably would have been out towards the end of the jetty.
Someone went the wrong way.
Someone went the wrong way in a car. We're not going to say who that is, but rhymes with Clark. And by the time we got here, little wind shadows right down there in the notch of the jetty and the beach. About 10 feet of it. But that's about as much space as you need to sail, excuse me. See, at the dagger board and the rudder down, I was about knee deep in water from the clear. About 2 feet offshore. Almost could have, to get more comfortable, just push off from the shore and drop in the dagger board and the rudder on the way out. Play around with who? The reserve fleet. Oh yeah, we can go up to the beach here and get in the middle of the restricted area where the reserve fleet's anchored at. But this rudder tiller combo is really nice. With the split gudgeon on the bottom. So I was wondering if the bridle was long enough, you can just come in, throw the tiller under the bridle, gudgeon on the gudgeon it on, drop it in, ready to go. And then we found out coming in, if you're coming to the beach and you hit bottom, it'll pop up, it'll swing over and your rudder's not going to break off hitting the beach. Comes off about that fast. Then you take the tiller off. And everything goes and behind the half seat. put that in there. And the first goes facing forward. Might be better to face after when you're tacking. Keep your knees clear of the dashboard top. But once you get on your, set your little reach or whatever, you just lean back against the side. Check the oars, and then I remember while I was out there, someone suggested bringing 2 sets of oarlocks and just, if you want your oars, to store them up on the gunnels like that and get them out of the cockpit. So we're going to bring a second set of oarlocks next time. Snap shackle takes seconds to take on and off compared to the bowline. But use the bowline if you're in the bowline crowd. The sail down, Reagan. Stop the line. Watch the yard when it comes down. How about the mast? And then snap shackle. You can tie this better because it slid back into the here. Now you're ready to grab everything. Oh, I guess including the oar and take it up to the car. Well, it's very simple. She turned in her own boat length when you're tacking or diving, so no more trying to swing around aircraft carriers. And that's a successful sail trial for Nutshell Pram. Excuse me. You want to be in the video?
No.
You don't want to go woo or nothing? Okay, Audrey's she's getting ready. She's coming on stage. All right. That'll about do it.